Hi, this is Vishal Kothari. We are from Sri Paras. We are into business, a range of products like currency counting machine, note counting machine, fake note detectors, bundle note counting machine, note counting machine with fake note detectors at the time of counting only. Let me show you my entire range. These are our range of machines. This is a coin counting machine and a coin sorter machines. All these are different loose note counting machines, and this is a bundle note counting machines. Let me show you a demo. It takes 4 or 5 seconds to complete the entire 100 counts. This is our best model. Let me show you the details how it works. In the machine is plugged in. This is a power cable where it is plugged in. You have to just start the machine from here. The display will start showing. There would be 2 lights. This is the external display. Let me show you in detail how the machine works. These are some 500 rupee notes. It's showing count 51. Let me now give you the UV function. UV will detect UV ultraviolet. It's showing 51. All the notes are with the UV. Let me show you the MG function, which will detect the magnetic feature of the note. Wherever the machine stops, it shows that some suspect is found, and this is a fake note, the new fake note which is there in the market. More than 81 crore rupees are been found like that. We have a size function in this. Size will show you if there is a different note, different size of a note. We'll put this 10 rupee note in between 500 rupee note. It stopped because of the size is different from the actual notes. We have add function also, wherein you can add the notes. We have bundle of notes like this. We just start, we can clear this first. We put this much. It says 11. Then we again put these notes. It says 35. Then we put this. It says total count 50. This is the add function. If we want, we can remove, if you want 25 notes to come out of that, you can just press 25 here and you put these notes like this. 25 will come out. Again 25 will come out. You want to clear. This is the last count, this is the current count. Then you can clear this. You can keep all the functions on if you want. The machine is designed for the new notes. We also have dollar function and euro function also in this. This is the dollar and the euro function, wherein it can detect dollars as well as euros if there is any fake note. This is a coin counting machine and a sorter machine, which can count as well as sort all the different types of denominations of the coin. Let me show you how it works. These are some mixed coins. So to just press start here, it starts taking the coins and putting 1 rupee coin in 1 rupee, 2 rupees coin in 2 rupees, 5 rupees coin in 5 rupees. You can see, and as well as at the same time it is giving you the values of the same. You can see here it is showing 98 rupees, 101 rupees. It keeps counting, sorting. 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 25 paisa. Once it is done, it will say that the total count is 123 rupees 0.25 paisa. We can also ask him how you have arrived at this value. It can give us report by pressing report. It says 5 rupees we have 7 coins. These are some 7 coins of 5 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Old and new. 2 rupees 21 coins. 1 rupee 43 coins. 50 paisa 5 coin. 25 paisa is 3 coins.